Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a tour of Millsborough. Now Millsborough is one of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica. It's actually in the top 5, and we are on Millsborough Avenue now. Now Millsborough is one of those areas where you're allowed to build apartments, townhouses. So we're going to take a look at the construction that's going on up here and also the finished units. So the top 3 areas are usually Cherry Gardens, Jackshill, and Millsborough. The order might change, but those are the top 3. Now, Jackshill has very strict laws or rules basically on the titles, what you call it. I'm not sure, can't remember now, but you can't build apartments there. So you wouldn't be able to build a townhouse like what's on the left there. Cherry Gardens has similar restrictions, basically, I should say, but Millsborough doesn't. And Millsborough, the lots are very big, so you can buy an existing house, tear it down, and build apartments or townhouses, which happens a lot. So as we drive up Millsborough Avenue, you're going to see a lot of developments. I think outside of Ligani, probably Millsborough has the most apartments in Kingston. Not 100% sure, but there's some very nice developments up here. As you can see where that zinc fence is, a few more coming. Okay. And Kingston has a serious shortage of homes or units basically to live in, whether they're apartments, townhouses, homes. So that's why you see so much development going on. And the majority of, well, this is a residential area, so the ones up here would be residential. I think I read somewhere where they said 80% of all the new developments that apply for the license are residential. It's a very nice one on the left. So we're now going on to Tavistock Terrace. There's another very nice development on the right. Okay, so on the left now is coming up that very nice building that's a spyglass. And that's in Tavistock. and they have blocked the road off again. I mean, a sign at the bottom would have been nice to say road closed ahead. This is actually a very nice development on the right. Now, if you look straight ahead in the background, or the horizon, that's the Rogers. That's the tallest building in Jamaica. Still under construction, but it has reached 20 floors. The roof is on, and that's the tallest building in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.